Hello everyone, today we're going to talk about an activity that is very important for language learning. We have a chart here. There are some words on the chart. You can write any word, write random words, get words from anywhere and write those on the chart, and then learn the pronunciation of those words, the meaning of those words, then do this activity that we're going to demonstrate here. Make an extemporary paragraph, a paragraph that you haven't prepared before. Like, take words from anywhere. For example, we have words like pink, pay, park, party, pen, tomato, truck, kitten, tongue, then cake, tap, tribe, kettle, knee, cashmere, toxic, twist, traffic, trace, knockout, knowledge, knee, and other words. I make a paragraph. I'll talk about an episode that took place maybe yesterday. Well, an episode that took place, that didn't take place actually. I'm just making this story up. I start like this. Yesterday there were some people, they were talking to one another, and one of them had a piece of paper in his hand, and he talked about some vegetables like tomato, and he also talked about a truck that had come from a place where there is no trace of people. And while they were talking, and I asked one of them where he was from, and he said that he was from Kashmir, and he also told that people from Kashmir are very knowledgeable, and I was very happy about it. And when he said, when I heard the people from Kashmir are very knowledgeable, I liked it since I come from the same place. And they talked about parrots and penguins and planes as well. He had a piece of paper in his hand, and he was writing something on the paper with a pencil, and he was also talking to his friend about a tweet that he had done earlier a few days ago, and that tweet had gone viral, and there were a lot of people talking about that tweet. And he said, he talked about people's tweets and their comments and other things, that he said it is all trash, it doesn't carry any sense. Then we talked about Australia, and then when we started talking about Australia, he talked about kangaroo, because kangaroo is an animal that comes from Australia and is seen and found in Australia. And one of those people, he had some problem with his knee, and he said, he wanted to see some doctor. And it was a very nice conversation, and we loved it. Now, I talked about a few things. I used these words. I made up this paragraph. It doesn't carry any sense. I'm talking about an episode that didn't take place. I'm talking about some people who talked about a lot of things. You have to do exactly the same way. Have some words like apple, banana, then teacher, your friend, and connect those, make those sentences. Use one word in each sentence and connect those sentences. Don't worry about the meaning and the sense, whether your paragraph carries any sense or not. You have to connect each structure to another structure, and this way you become a little more fluent and creative. You become creative. Your creativity increases, and you have to do this activity on daily basis.